Hey everyone, I just want to teach you how to write blogs and how to format blogs when you're in your Wix site. So after you log in, you're going to have a page that is something like this. You can see I have multiple sites. You probably only have one site there. So let's go ahead and edit that site. It's going to bring you to your dashboard right here. It's going to give you a whole lot of different analysis or whatever you want to look at. But go ahead and click on the blog button on the side, and it's going to bring up your blog overview. You can scroll down, and some of the blog templates have several already formatted templates right here for you. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and click on that and start editing that one and changing some stuff. Or you can click on create a new post and start your own. For now, I'm just going to click on start my own. So the blog automatically comes up with your first place you need to put in is a catchy title. So I'm going to write about mistakes people make when brewing coffee at home. So if I do something like this, you can never change that. Wix just keeps that steady right there, so I have that right there. Now you'll notice that every time that I hit the return button, a little plus symbol follows me down. That means I can add whatever I want right there. So when I open that plus, it gives me all these different options. Or I can do the plus button there as well. So, right, one of the things I may want to do is just start with something about, brewing, coffee shop, quality, at home, something like that, just some kind of a cool statement. Hit the return and you'll see I have a button right there. One of the things I love to do, you'll see this often, is put an image right off the bat, so that people can connect the picture to the title, and it makes for good impression management. So I'm going to pick this V60 right there, add that to the page, and you're going to see that it just drops right onto the page. So now that I have my picture there, I'll come underneath it, and you can see that my plus shows up there again. I don't want to write something right under the picture, so I'm going to return one more down. I want to put my first subheading right there. I don't want it to write in paragraph. I actually want it to be a heading 2. It'll make that a little bit bigger. And I can write my first subheading, because so this is what I'm going to write about, right? So for yours, it's going to be your pillar or whatever that is. Mistake number 1 will be using water that isn't hot enough. All right, so you can tell it's bigger font. It's going to be easy for people to look at and know what is there. So when I come back down to my next one, I can start writing my paragraph right there. Many people never reach the ideal temperature of water, right? And I would write a full paragraph right there for that. Once I get done with talking about the water, I'm gonna tab down another time. I'm gonna create my next heading 2 again, so that people can see where I am. I'm gonna put mistake number 2. Using beans that were ground a long time ago, right? And then return, and I write my paragraph and whatever information that needs to be there. I can put a picture in right there, right? Let's just say I want to put some grounds in there to illustrate my point. I'll go to my library. So in your library, you can explore all kinds of different places. So media from Wix, Shutterstock, Unsplash, or you can upload your own media as well. So my site already has a bunch of pictures in there, so I'll go find some pictures that I like, and let's throw some in there. I don't know if I have actually any grounds. So for the point of this illustration, I'll just throw this one in there, add it to my page, and there I have a picture in there too as well. So when I'm putting in all of these header twos, super important that you have that, because you can tell that they're actually bigger font than my paragraphs would be. And then I have pictures to help illustrate that as well. So that's how you can easily format and design your blog post without trying to do it on the other side where you're trying to design your website. Always just go here and do that. You can save it, you can preview what it's going to look like. Right, and then you can just get right back out of it by going to editing, and then when it's ready to publish, you just click publish, and it goes live at that time. All right, hopefully that gives you a good understanding of how to start designing and working with Wix as far as your blogs go.